Hello and welcome everybody back to my channel. My name is John and this is your one-stop shop for all things recruiting and, let's be real, the occasional shenanigan. So a question that I get fairly often on LinkedIn, from my job postings, even here on YouTube, and yes, I do read the comments, even that random one that suggested I get a haircut. Whomever you are, Kevin. Anyway, the one question that I always get is, what exactly makes a great recruiter? Well, let me tell you, it's not about having a Rolodex as big as a Webster's dictionary, though that doesn't hurt. And it's not just about having the ability to sweet-talk a kitty cat out of a tree, though that too is not a bad skill to have. No, being a good recruiter is a mix of several things. First up, you gotta have a bit of Sherlock Holmes in you, and I'm talking about being a super sleuth. Good recruiters are fantastic at research. They can hunt down the perfect candidates, and they got an eagle eye for spotting folks who have the right skills, experience, and crucially will fit into the company's culture. And next up is the gift of gab. And no, I'm not talking about talking someone's ear off. No, I'm talking about the real magic here is actually in the listening. A great recruiter listens way more than they speak. And they're kind of like the old school Oprah of the job world, understanding a candidate's needs, their aspirations, what makes them tick. The motivation for why a person is looking for a new job is absolutely key, right up there with their skills and ability. And let's not forget about resilience, because I'm going to tell you, rejection is definitely part of the game of recruitment. You will hear the word no more often than a toddler in a china shop. But here's the thing. The good recruiter doesn't let that get them down. They just dust themselves off, learn from the experience, and they keep going. They're like that little engine that could, but, of the professional world. And finally, great recruiters have a passion for all people. They love connecting and helping and seeing others succeed. They're not just tossing resumes at a hiring manager like, that he had a wedding. And as a bonus, I'm going to throw in that as a recruiter, to be really good at recruiting, you gotta have the effort. I'm talking about waking up every day with the repetition of knowing that you're going to be sending 30 to 50 emails, making anywhere from 10 to up to 40 phone calls a day, depending on the type of recruiting you're in. So that kind of effort is also really going to help you become a great recruiter. That's really all there is to it. Ultimately, that's it. The great research skills, the listening, the resilience, the love for people, and bonus effort. That's the secret to being a top-notch recruiter, and whomever that Kevin is out there, apparently a great haircut as well. Anyway, that's all for today, folks. As always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have a burning question or just want to poke fun at my hair or drop a comment down below, don't forget to subscribe for more recruitment wisdom and the occasional bad joke. Catch you next time. Y'all have a great day and take care.